Meaning of fastidiously.
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 Fastidiously. Fastidiously is an adverb that describes someone who pays extreme attention to detail and is very careful and meticulous in their work or actions. When someone does something fastidiously, they do so with great precision and thoroughness, leaving no stone unturned. This can lead to them producing high-quality work and achieving great results. However, it can also sometimes result in them taking longer to complete tasks, as they are unwilling to cut corners or rush through things. Ultimately, being fastidious can be a positive trait, but it requires a lot of effort and patience.